Okay guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are sitting where the Conquest normally is because something special happens at the end of this video.
Yes.
What we are doing, just pretend that the Conquest is here for a second. What we are going to do...
sitting on top of it, right?
Yes, we're sitting on top of it. Wait a minute. Just for emphasis.
Why is that not on the car?
They'll find out later. Yeah, so pretend that the Conquest is actually here. Wait. Let's put a wheel there on the side just to make it look...
Yes.
It's a bit weird. Yeah. That's how it should be. Yeah. Yeah, pretend that the Conquest is here. Yeah. Anyway, so let's... we didn't know it yet, but we're gonna go through the car. We're gonna sort out the engine bay, get stuff.
No, we didn't sort anything out, let's be honest.
We didn't, it was a mess.
We tried
You
to
will
sort
actually
out.
see the depression in this video before the car was sorted out. So we tried to sort out a few things in the engine bay, tidy it up, whatever, and then eventually...
A professional
Yes.
came and visited and told us that it was pointless for us to try and sort anything out. We had already done rubbish from the beginning, anyway.
All of it.
So we were also sorting out rubbish, and we were doing rubbish while trying to sort it out.
Yes. We were actually sorting out the rubbish wrong.
Yes.
So yeah. Enjoy the video. The first half is a bit depressing. The second half gets a bit fun because then we take the car where
It needs to go, and actually, hopefully, after this video, the next time you see the car, it may be running. So
I know we've said that before.
no, but like this time, it's actually.
But for real,
it's actually.
like-
It's actually. So leave a like.
Just don't forget to subscribe so you can actually see when it starts.
Yeah,
Because it's still beginning of the video,
I'm trying to
so
think
do
if
that now.
I'm thinking if there's a channel.
Tell you what, just for the few people that watch this video,
Leave a comment.
leave a comment saying, I want merch. When we get to 5,000 subs, we're gonna come back to this video and give somebody in the comments merch. We're gonna come back to this very video and give somebody some merch.
Yeah.
Free, of
If
charge.
you want to buy the merch, then just go to ismotorsport.co.za.
Yes, you can do that. Or you can just skip the queue and just buy it yourself.
Yes.
Where's your merch, by the way?
Did I wear it in this video?
No, I don't know.
It might be there. I don't know.
Why couldn't this thing just be like GTA, you know? Take this thing to Los Santos Customs, press 2 buttons and
Drive in, drive out, shop.
it's done.
The smoke is gone, everything.
Yeah, you can pull in there with like 3 wheels. Everything smashed to bits. The car looking like a pizza.
You don't even pay anything, bro. You literally drive in, you pull out the shop. Hold on, let me get this one out.
Jesus. Yes, man, at least swallowed everything. There's a AC radiator in the back seat. That's not supposed
You
to
said
be
you're not running
there.
AC.
Huh?
You said you're not running AC.
Yeah, because you swallowed it with that yawn.
Hashtag.
No, we're not running AC because it takes up space and it steals power and the windows sort of work. So what's the point?
They don't sort of work. They don't.
We're not running AC because race car. Can you stop yawning, bro? It's getting
I
annoying.
don't know what's going on.
I was fine in the morning.
And at this rate, you're gonna swallow the car with all those yawns and then we'll have nothing to do.
We need to fix all of that.
Damn. Expansion tank.
Okay, and the pipes that go, okay, there's one pipe.
No, we made it wireless. It's fine.
Wait, don't close it.
I wasn't gonna lock it.
Doesn't it need more than one pipe?
Nah.
And now we see the one.
Yeah, that should be it. That's for overflow.
Yeah, that I know.
Yeah, so it's just one will be fine. No, it does go here. See? It goes there. There's the bracket.
There's the bracket holding it.
It will when I put it on right. That's still not right.
And that thing has been done.
Yeah, but now, because remember we changed the radiator because the old one was here, and it hasn't happened, and it would fit. Hey, what about, you know we bought pipe? Do you think it's in the car? It was about that size.
It should be. I think it might work.
It will work. because we've got the clamps.
Okay, let's go look for pipe then.
There's the other pipe. So we're relocating our racing expansion tank now to the front because the engine needs to cool better in order to start.
Just disconnect the Bluetooth.
Yeah, I did. So now we're going with like a LAN cable.
Yeah.
You see how it's faster than Wi-Fi. So we're going to do that, so maybe it'll help it start.
Okay.
I'm not making any of this up.
Promise. Because we are professionals.
Pinky promise. So there's 4 spark plugs, and I'll put those in later, and coil packs and throttle cable. We can connect that.
Yeah, we
Figure
just
out
provided
what
the dash
that's
to do
for.
that.
Yeah, because we made the throttle cable wireless as well.
Man, I remember this. I remember this thing being here. I just don't remember where it went.
We'll figure it out.
And it's got plugs. Well, it's got a and plug.
This is a royal messy.
And your power aux cable. Remember
Why
that?
did we have a power aux cable? Oh, we have a power aux crocodile cable.
Yeah.
This is rare.
Yeah. Got an aux to. You got an aux to
Alligator.
alligator clip, yeah.
We should not be allowed to build cars.
Yeah. This here is exactly how you get your car running, guys. Aux cables. So what have you decided to move on to?
Spark plugs, because this car is really irritating me, and I'm actually getting fed up of it.
That does happen. Project cars.
Yeah, project cars.
So if you guys look here, whatever number cylinder that is, the injector for it has disconnected itself from the plug. So that now needs to be fixed. Cut to the video where we install the little pins for the plugs.
That's gonna be a fucking bitch to do now.
That whole harness has to come out.
This is the shit I was saying. So now who's to say that when it wasn't lacquer in here, ne? So when you press it down, it doesn't lift and doesn't actually make contact in the injector. This could be the reason why it's not starting. As could 1,000,001 other fucking things.
For those of you that were wondering, this is what I needed to get out. This is what I was talking about. So this was stuck inside, and that's why the other wire in the car was stripped. So managed to get it out, just use a couple of pins, pushed it out, and yeah, gonna see if we can repair it. So,
As I showed you, we managed to get the thing out. We crimped it back on and managed to push it back in. So you can see the pins are lining up all the way to the top now. They look exactly the same throughout all of them. And yeah, at least as far as the pins are concerned, that's as much as we can do. Whether or not it's right and it's working, we will know once we try to fire it up again.
so at the current moment,
We're still busy struggling trying to figure out the mess that's going on here. But what I'm going to do, for the sake of what I hope to be a little bit of peace, is plug this thermostat situation in, right? And what that means is getting these two pipes onto these two pipes over here. So I'm going to take this one out for now because it is properly in my way and I don't know where it goes to. And plug these johnnies over here.
If one's important. Nobody cares about rugby, man.
This Bruce says, and there's rugby in that one. One?
You know what I just realized?
What?
We're all dressed the same.
We are. Leandro, come. Come. When the boy, when you invite 3 guys to a braai.
Okay, so
It's the next day. No, it's not.
it's not the next day. It's a few days after what we started doing when we tidied up the engine. But it might be the same video. It probably is the same video.
It is the same video.
But we had a professional that came and had a look at the car. Turns out we did a whole bunch of
Rubbish is what we did. We did
rubbish.
yes.
Rubbish. We did rubbish.
So our wiring that we spent a whole
Let's not talk about it.
our wiring, we sat right here. You remember? We
did.
sat here with the tool and we put the Osmo. It was almost in the same place, and that was all nonsense. It was useless.
Yes.
The
The problem is it's all wrong. So the professional came and said he can fix it.
yes,
Great.
but
But it needs to go to him, which is a long way away. So in order to get the car to him, he said the only thing he wants in the car is
seats.
seats. He doesn't want any loose stuff that can go missing, so we got to pull all of that out. The tire on that side is flat, so we got to do some shifting of wheels so that we can put a standard set on there and that the car sits even, so that we can get it up onto the trailer and remove all the shit that's in the car.
So for all of you that have been saying, when is the Conquest going to start?
Hopefully
Get
soon.
the Conquest to start.
It's getting close. It's getting close. Not only it starts, it's actually gonna drive very soon.
Yeah. What's happening?
Zoobs. Hello. Good on you, man. No, not yet.
So we have to hurry up.
Yes. So let's. He's on his way now. So we need to do this. You're gonna break your back.
Bad day to wear white.
I didn't even think of that. Yes, it is. And we all made the same mistake.
No, I'm wearing grey.
Same thing.
I'm wearing grey. You were white. I don't know why you did that.
So we have made it to Brandfontein,
Yes.
and hopefully next time we see this car, it's running. And
I saw that cool thing over there.
what? Yeah. So we had to take the wing off because it was.
I'm talking about the car.
Oh, that's the wing. I thought you were pointing at the wing that's now not there. That was there when we left.
What?
Thought you were pointing at the wing that's not there. That was there when we
Oh
left.
yeah. And we didn't record that, did we?
No, we didn't.
No. Oh well. Hey!
Oh, that's gone now. Yeah. How did I do this shit, man? Oh, you filmed it now.
I did film it, all of it. Start it up.
Dash is done.
Nothing, sorry.
You found a thing?
Aircon.
Wings and wheels. So yeah, this is what we have left of the car.
Yeah.
The car is now at a place where it is going to get started.
With
engine.
a professional.
Yes. Shout out to Zubs, aka Zubair. If you need any automotive, he's actually an automotive plug.
Pretty much. That's exactly what he does.
So
yeah.
if you need anything automotive, let us know. We'll put you in contact with him, and
He'll probably find the person that you need.
yeah. And remember, good quality isn't cheap.
Also,
So do it right the first time.
I mean, we tried. We tried to do it right.
Yeah, it's quite funny. He told us the wiring is this wiring is
He told us
pathetic.
the
all
wiring
of it.
is terrible. And then there was something else that we did that he said was bad.
And
we
we're just
said,
standing there like, we did not do that.
But yeah, it'll be interesting to see what he does or how he does it compared to what we did at the end. So stay tuned for that. The next time you see the car, it will be driving under its own power.
Fingers crossed. So you'll see a running Conquest soon.
Yeah.
And then we can put a wing back on it.
This
Because
AC
now
is
it
getting
just
heavy.
looks like it has.
You'll
And
tell
we
them
removed that from the car. So
You'll
why
tell-
did you bring it back?
it's what's left, is it not what's
Yes,
left?
but
It's here.
race car. We get rid of that. Throw it away.
Like, share, subscribe. This thing's heavy.